Hello everybody, good afternoon. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I will introduce you one of our hot-selling valve assembly. Let's take a look. Actually, for this one, you can see the outside packages. It's this kind of blue VCI interval specs, right? And this is the label. On the first left label, it's the Shumatt brand, and our product code is F00RJ02235. Actually, for this kind of logo label packages, etc., all we can support a customized service, and then let's check the inside. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation, and one layer so all your paper to wrap it up. And each product we Shumatt supply with 6 months warranty time. In this period, any of our customers feel not satisfied with the quality, return or exchange. Wow, let's see. Actually, for this one, it's applicable for V4 injector race 04451202233. And for this one, it's applicable for vehicle quarries ASHOK LEYLAND. The details of this valve cap, there is the coating figures, and that's the valve rod. Actually, if you want to install the valve assembly, it's better to make sure the valve cap is in the right position and the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. Okay, so much for this one. Actually, if you want to know more details, please focus on our channel and feel free to contact us or leave the comments to Caitlin. And I've seen that, I reply you. So much for today. Thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time. Bye.